Hello friends, today I'm gonna do my client nails and she wants me to do Navratri special nails for her and I asked her style and shades to give her my best service. So she said she wants extra short nails but custom design. And I said okay, we will do your customized design and all the details as per your preference. And one thing which she said me to make it clear is that she said please don't touch my cuticle area. I don't want any gel layer or any cuticle stuff here. And I said okay, I won't do that. But she also said that please keep the gel layers a bit away from my cuticle side. When she said that, I felt like, oh, okay, maybe she afraid of this step or maybe she is just want them to look natural. Otherwise, I started to do her nails. I applied the base coat after buffing her nails, but she was very clear with her nail stuff and I like that. Because many clients don't say their limits, but when we do the nail steps, then they hate it because they don't want those steps. It just make a nail artist sad. But she make it clear in our first interaction and clients should do this. She said she wants the hard gel extensions but afraid to get the heat spikes. And of course, you know that I always do my hack in which I pre-made the extensions and apply them later. And I think this is the right time to apply my this hack on her and also I asked her to hold the curing lamp while I put them on. She is very sweet and she said yes, if this process is gonna be heatless then I'll definitely go in your way. And believe me, she really loved my this hack and she said I never seen any nail artist who do this process. It made my nail extension process easy with less heat. She also said that I'm not comfortable with hard gels but I like to have. Please do my nails next time I'll come back to you again. When she said that, I was like, oh, thank you. Now she is comfortable in this process and I make sure she will get her best nails at my place. Let's get into the process. Here I'm doing the overlay method which is I usually do to get the smooth finish and perfect apex. I did not cut the side ends of the nails before overlay because she likes the square nails too and if she wants to keep them square then I can let them as they are. Now comes to the inspo pictures which she has shown me. She wants the three combinations in her hands. First is this and second one is this and third one is this. She wants this yellow shade on her two fingers which are thumb and ring finger and wants this brown shade on her remaining fingers. She wants these both designs with the yellow shade and these bandana designs on the dark shade. After the application process, now she said she wants to go with the oval shape, so I started to cut her nails one by one. I never work with the extra short nails, as you know that. I love long nails and usually do those 3D nails and all that stuff on my hand. And I am struggling a little bit to hold her fingers and file these short nails. After every step of this process, I asked her many times that if she is okay with that or not, and she said all are good, you can do your work as you want. At this time guys, my phone storage has been full and I could not shoot the complete nail art design, but I took the final look. So here is the final look. Hope you like this video and love this Navratri special nails. See you in my next video. Bye.